Viewers, I could talk a little about Jamaica, the land of food and water and broke gangsters. Now for the man them who live a life of crime, I look upon you and tell us, say, yo, them a do that something because nothing now go on at them job. I saw them survive. I saw them earn a living. But a man work to ensure say him can able to take care of himself and his family, and when emergencies come up, you deal with it. You work to put these things in place. I'm not going to pretty it up, because none of the man that want to do that crime something here. Them broke like dog road boy. There are numerous cases where wanted men and killers and bad men and area leaders and dons and thugs have died, and it was a struggle for their family members to bury them. Many so-called shatters and quangers and men were out there mash works. After they are held by the police, them can't retain a sensible lawyer. Enough of them man about the place are rob and a kill and a extort and a kidnap people if they should become sick. Them can't find one good doctor. Them can't check themselves into a good hospital. Enough of the man them floss out and smoke out and drink out the dirty money where them earn from them life of crime. And when it comes down to certain things, they are found wanting, brother. How can I be the country's most wanted man for years, and when I die, my family has to struggle and scrape to bury me? That can't make no sense, brother. How can I be the wickedest, coolest thing ever, and when police hold on for me can retain Peter Champagne or Bert Samuels or Christopher Townsend or one of them man that can bust the case? Uno see on a life uno waste. How me feel out there make so much duppy, and if me sick me can't check in myself up at Andrews Memorial or Medical Associates or not all a KPH me thing there, then that don't make no sense, brother. How me fi kill so much people and me can put on a pot for fire every day of the week to feed myself and my family? Then I work with it so I work. Then what go on? I know me I beat a little topic hard from the other day, but it make more sense for the man them go look some honest, legal means of living, brother. If you live a life of crime and police can kill it any day, and your crony can kill it any day, and your rival can kill it any day, and you can't take care of yourself and your family, might as well you go work a 9 to 5, brother. Might as well you find honest, legal means of sustaining yourself and your family. How many more of them money I got dead and them people can't bury them? How many more of them money a police go hold on pan and then can't retain a lawyer? Yo, a legal lady man them gone. How many of them go fall sick and a KPH them end up? Brother, I waste no time. I waste no life. I don't know about nobody else, but that can't make no sense to me. You have some man who collect millions of dollars for them done extortion, and them are dead for hungry. Then what kind of work that me I do? You have some man who pull off some serious robberies and are commit some serious murders both here, but them can't get a decent funeral. Them can't find a good doctor or a good hospital if they get sick, and then can't retain a good lawyer. Waste of time, brother. Youths, we don't need to decide what we're really up to, because as far as me say, that don't make no sense. That's something that just don't make no sense. It better the man them go get some 9 to 5, brother. Jamaica, as we say, the land of food and water and some broke gangsters. Joke thing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!